been back in custody for 3 weeks. Regular sessions have been inconclusive. I am not sure he is actually insane.
Good evening, Stephen. How are you tonight?
I'm conducting the session, Jonathan.
Of course. If that helps you cope, I wouldn't have it any other way.
Let's talk about the events 3 weeks ago. What did you think you'd achieve? Dr. Murphy is still in therapy.
I wanted to understand him. His personal demons, his fears. It's all quite fascinating, really.
But you were a respected doctor. A brilliant mind. Now just another resident in Arkham.
Yeah, I have a dream. A strong one. This kind of question bores me.
I'm afraid not.
Interesting choice of words, Doctor. Tell me, what are you afraid of?
Central Control, please respond.
I should have done something.
Arkham Control, can you hear me?
Going after the notes yourself, eh, Bats? Good luck. I've got a crew working on the doctor assignment. They'll squeeze the formula out of us soon enough. Not to mention the audience one way or another, the formula will be mine. Why don't you just give up? Go on, roll over and die for once. Be your best friend.
I'm losing patience. You're cheating. You must be.
Open!
Hold on! I think I've got it. You said that 10 minutes ago.
You can be the one to tell him. I'm not gonna.
It'll be open any second. Damn it! You're an idiot. Joker's not gonna be happy, and you know what that means. Quiet! Just shut up! I'm trying!
The boss wants results.
Joker's thugs were trying to get into that office.
It looks like they couldn't get through the main door. Got to find a different way in. Someone has already got to the safe. The only question now is, who opened it? No sign of forced entry. Whoever opened it knew the combination. Let's see.
Good. Dr. Young got to her notes before Joker. She's taken them to hide somewhere. I need to follow her and find out where she put them. Oracle. I'm on Dr. Young's trail. I've had to calibrate the scanner to only show recent prints. If I follow these, I will find her or the notes.
I hope it works. Just so you know, the GCPD found one of Joker's bombs downtown. It was full of marzipan and kittens.
As I thought. It's just a twisted diversion. The real action's on Arkham.
Joker was right. He's over there!
Patient interview 9. Dr. Crane continues to evade questions. I believe he is quite sane, just evil. He takes no interest in the people he has hurt. His research appears to be the only motivating factor in his life. What is it about fear that drives your obsession?
Fear drives everything, Stephen. Everything. Your life is governed by fear. Every decision you make is a product of that fear.
Don't be ridiculous.
You married your wife, Margaret, isn't it? Because you were scared of dying alone. You have children because you're scared of leaving nothing behind that really matters. You go to the doctors because you're scared of dying. Do I need to go on?
No. I think that will be all for today. Guards?
I don't know. There's an arm here. Who did this?
It's the bat. He's here. It must be.
Maybe it was Zaz. That guy's crazy.
No way. They're all still breathing. Zaz never leaves anyone alive. I don't like this. It's come back!
Joker doesn't tell us his plan.
She looks scared. Maybe she knew what was coming.
Maybe. I heard he's brought someone in to deal with her.
He should have asked me. I'd have made a talk. Would have been fun.
Go!
He's here!
You're beginning to impress me, Batman. You may still reach a level just below my genius one day.
Spring was a turning point, a new beginning, a glorious realization of my true destiny. My family's killer perished in an unfortunate accident. These animals cannot be cured. Like dogs, they only respond to discipline. And if that fails, then I was afraid that these accidents would have to continue.
He's here!
has saved the helpless